community engagement program where we're coming to Amy's farm to help just pull up weeds, as just to help build one of our 4 values, which is community and civic engagement. Though tiring and a little sweaty, it is quite fun.
We're cleaning here at the African American Museum. It feels good because you're just helping somebody that needs help.
So we've been helping get rid of the grass that's kind of taken over the garden so that the other plants that are here will flourish throughout the year.
It's good for the community. They needed our help and we're just volunteering our time and it's good for us.